Knowing that smell is powerful, I had to research some facts, some other things about our sense of smell, which I think you might find fascinating. Smell is the most powerful of the senses. One scent can reawaken 1,000 memories. Interesting. If you think about, sometimes you just might smell that one little smell and it reawakens so many things. How many smells are associated with the Christmas holiday season? If you think about it, the pine needles of the Christmas tree, or maybe the cinnamon smelling candle that was lit in your house as you were growing up. Even when you walk outside on a cold day and you smell a fireplace burning in the distance, all of these things can evoke memories, emotions. So you can use this in a lot of ways as a writer, as a creator. Maybe you want to recall certain emotions in order to make your writing more authentic, more genuine. You want to really remember and feel what you need to feel to write a certain piece. Maybe you want to use that emotional response smell can bring as a sort of calming sense that comes over you. There are certain scents we know have a calming effect. Maybe you come to the writing desk triggered already into your fight or flight response. You feel this stress, you feel anxiety about your writing, maybe from past events, past teachers that told you were no good, etc., etc. Maybe you want to help use smell to overcome some of that and bring a calming sense over you.